today is gonna be a very, very, very busy day. I know the kids are excited for today just because I've over-planned everything. When we booked our site here, we didn't realize that we get a free day for mini golf, which is at a different location. So I was like, well, let's go check it out because, I mean, it's free and it's an activity and the kids can do that. It's gonna be like mini putt-putt. And I looked at a video last night on it and it looked just super fun.
Ready to start the day? Have a good time? Go putt, 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 all the way to putt, putt?
Yes.
Are you ready to lose?
Oh, that's very creepy.
Thank you.
Oh boy, I'm Mickey Dad. Let's go.
All right, what color did you get? You got purple, yellow, black.
What color did you get?
I got that pink, that neon pink.
Look how cute that is.
Adults versus kids.
Sharon,
Daddy, it just went back.
you're about to not be allowed to play putt-putt. We're not playing golf.
Wait a second.
Oh.
You guys look right over there. There's actually Tower of Terror. Not a bad little view while you're playing some putt-putt.
Oh, and it's going back.
Womp, 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 womp.
Nice, Jack.
Around the bend, coming down.
Gonna make noise. I made one thing.
Willow! Woohoo! Hole in one. Ladies and gentlemen, Willow Jane Garcia.
Look, we got a hole in one
Hole in one on hole 5. Made it to the mushroom forest, and we got a hole in one. On to the next. Hole number 6. The Nutcracker's really cracking us. Few swings, keep coming back. All right, Jax. Show them how it's done. Get that girl. Oh, oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Buddy, so close. Hey, that's almost a hole in one.
Oh, Dad!
He made it in. Jackson, was that a hole in one?
Yeah! Oh, Willow doesn't make it! Willow! Willow! Wait.
It's still rolling. Maybe. Oh.
Only got stuck behind the barrel drippage. Wine, maybe?
I was like, if it gets stuck.
Imagine it comes right back down where you began.
Good, you made it in!
He almost got soaked.
You got me right here. You got me.
Got you.
Got it. Got the Disney water on me.
Got it.
All right, hole 18, final and last hole of the day. Willow, you ready for this one? This one's really cool. I'm gonna video from over here. Her ball's going. Tornado, it's making its way. It's making its way. Wow, wow. Goodbye. And it's gone. To the infinity swirl. Off the back, off the back.
Perfect, perfect.
This is what we came for. The Fantasia swirl. Does it go in? And it's...
Yay!
He's tease it up just real nice.
Jackson, look, you got the perfect circle.
What a game. Nicely done. I mean, we just dominated that putt-putt today, or you could say mini golf. It's all the same. Awesome. What a day.
Oh, that was so much fun. I'm so glad it was free.
All right, what was everyone's favorite hole? What was your favorite hole?
I like the one where we were in a cave.
In the cave? What was yours?
I like the swirly one at the end, and the cave, and the flowers.
All the ones you got a hole in one?
Yes. I would say, I don't know. I mean, they're all pretty cool. The swirly one was really cool.
I like that alligator, so the hippo with the alligator below, because I went right through. I didn't get a hole in one, but that was cool.
You did go through.
Do you know how to get Chipotle for free? You go and have an activity, and whenever you get a validated parking that costs $38 and you get it for free, it means lunch is free.
That's Molly math. Don't actually take that as financial advice.
It's still math. That's wonderful. So free lunch on me. It's very hot in Florida right now, like extremely hot. Willow and I, we're all red in the face just because it's humid here. Plus, I think it's gonna be like 90 something degrees here today. Like, I can't even imagine what it's like in summer.
Well, we came last August and it was...
That was like the end of summer. It was still hot.
I guess June, July here is where you don't want to go.
Yeah. Right now it's May. I don't know why I looked down at my watch to figure out if it was May.
Welcome to Chipotle. Perfect. A little lunch, change of pace. Chipotle it is. All right, Jax, let's find some trading cards. So what do you have so far? You've got a Till, Silver. Let's see if they have any. Mine have all 8. And then your collection's complete. What are the odds? They're all in there.
We trade pins, we get buttons, we get trading cards. Disney has all the fun little things kids can bring along for trinkets and souvenirs.
What do you think, buddy?
They got one.
He's checking. What do we got?
Green, yellow, silver, blue, orange, teal, red, coral.
All right, CJ, the man.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
Green, yellow, silver, blue,
Whoa.
orange, another type of blue, and a red, and an orange.
Dude. Shout out to CJ for hooking it up. The collection is complete. Bam. Could you imagine knocking everything out with one question, right? So just one question. You're like, hey, he's like, you heard us talking about it. He's like, we might have all 8 in one find. Trying to set me up. I see.
You have the backpack today, so I want you to get stopped and get checked.
It does
I
look
put
kind of,
something special in
it
there
does
for
look
you.
cute on me, right?
It does. I put something special in there so they'll stop you.
Oh, thanks. Did you find that? Wow. That's a great spot for it. Bye, Flower. See you later.
You didn't get stopped.
I know. Because I took everything out of my pockets like I'm at the airport. I think we've been yelled at by TSA so many times, like, hurry, take your shoes off, put everything through the... I'm like...
We're like, okay, everything's off.
And then I'm
It's
just
like we're getting in trouble at school.
so stressed when we go to the airport security. So now we just take everything out of our pockets, have them like, where we carry everything out like that and just
But we're not at
go
the airport,
through.
we're at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, so Disney's supposed to be a little bit nicer. And one time I had a tripod, which I get it. Oh, it was an umbrella.
It was an umbrella. So
An
umbrellas
umbrella.
and eyeglass cases set it off. And sometimes pins do, which Jaron and Jackson, we just take them out.
Take them out, hold them in your hand, just walk through, you're good to go.
Mickey time.
Mickey. You want to get in line?
Yep, let's go get in line. Good job on the Mickey, bro.
Yeah.
Molly and Willa are gonna stay back and draw Hey Hey, and Jackson and I are gonna go ride Everest. So that's where we're headed right now. We're gonna rip Everest. Rip Everest. Rip, rip.
This could be my second time.
Your second time?
Yeah.
This is it? I thought you rode it more than that.
You see little animals? We are drawing for the third time.
Always a good day when there's Dole Whip involved. Cheers, buddy. Scoop. Dole Whip has been secured. H2O secured. Off to Everest we go. A lot of 2319s, huh?
The Flower and Garden Festival is so cool. They have all these topiaries and bro, they put these on these things and it's just so beautiful. Like I want a garden like this. Can my RV park have gardens like this so I can just look at and like guess all these flowers and all the animals that are just gonna be by them? I'd be foraging all the time. What do you wanna go do? And go get some water on you?
Yes.
What do you wanna go do?
I want to go to Guernsey Galaxy.
We go on next because we have the virtual queue.
Yes.
This Moana area is so nice in the summer. We came here whenever it was cold outside and we did not want to get wet. But now we're just like, yes, everybody gets all the water on you. It is so nice. You almost got wet, Jack. Did it?
I need the water to go really high.
You are magical. You put your hand there and it went up. Nice!
What'd you find?
How does lilac?
Does it look like lilac?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry.
Daddy's holding it now. They smell good? Yeah. We completed all of these and we stamped each one so then we can get a free treat at the very end, which is this pineapple promenade.
Yay, I love it. I'm going to get everything when we get here.
And then we also got, which this just dropped, little wildflower garden mix, which I'm gonna end up putting at an RV park, right? One that has a lot of plants.
Is there any kind of method? What do you got going on?
I'm not sure, I just wanted to be fast. I wanted to be so fast.
What did you guys do?
Did you like it? We got $195.
What'd you get? I did see our design on the board. It was in second place twice.
And we had 205.
205. After ripping up Test Track, we headed over to get our annual pass holder magnet, and we were super excited to find out that it was Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. All right, who do we have?
We got Stitch.
We got Stitch. Okay, we can put that next to the other ones. So we're on our way to the annual pass holders only lounge, and we're giving you a sneak peek at something that's super exclusive. So this lounge is only going to be open till June 18th, so mark your calendars and get in here before it's too late. But enough talk, let's go have a little fun. What did you get?
A mint tea.
Mint tea.
Mint tea.
Hey girl. Are ready to make a wish? Do we have to rub his belly? I don't remember. Oh, a lamb. Okay. Oh, maybe he's got a lamb. Here we go.
Look how good, hold on, look how good that is.
Everyone knows the rules, one bite.
So it's like coconut milk, almond milk.
Oh my goodness. HEB used to make a fire Tris lunches. Don't knock it till you have it. But this is good.
And then what else did you get? Jamaican Impossible beef patty. This looks like an empanada.
Personally not a fan of like any of the fake meats and stuff. We don't typically eat that. But when in Rome, Epcot.
Where are we actually? We're in
I'm not even
Morocco.
sure. I really don't like fake meat, but we're gonna open it up and see what we got. It's basically a meatball. Let's get it. All right, everyone.
Yeah, it's like an empanada.
All right, here we go.
What's the flavor? Is it
Empanada.
an empanada?
Like
Is it spicy?
like a meatloaf.
Okay.
A little sweet. Oh, not bad.
So we're walking through the store because they have this KidCot where the kids can go and trade their pins, where they can also get little passport photos with stickers. It's really nice over here. That's what the KidCot is. They have these all in every single country. Jaren's over there videoing, and I was like, he's gonna try to outdo my video. Jaren,
Yo.
did you try to outdo my video?
All right, let's compare shots. All right, let's compare them. I look up and I'm already done. Then I see her filming. I'm like, I wonder if we shot the same thing.
We did. We have the same eyes.
All right, so
That's why we married each other.
we did. So here's my shot,
Okay.
and that way you guys know whose is whose. Like, look at that. Hold on, wait. Look how crispy this is. Oh, they won't be able to tell.
No, see, mine's better.
It's all
I'm gonna
blurry.
insert it right here.
Right this way to Ratatouille. Remy awaits. We are about to step onto Remy's Ratatouille's adventure. Such a fun ride, and I don't know if you've ever been on it, but my favorite part of the ride are the smells. It's like you immerse yourself into the kitchen. So if you haven't rode this, definitely gotta ride it.
Can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.